So good morning everyone. I am Liza Medalantar and I'm going to discuss the Java methods. So before I'm going to discuss the Java methods, we're going to find out first what is the method. So wait, there are some strange noise at my background. So here we have a method is a block of code which only runs when it's called. So we use methods to perform certain actions, right? And they are also known as functions. So why we use methods? So we use methods to define the code once and use it many times. So how do we create a method? So here it says that a method must be declared within a class. And if you're putting a, I mean, creating a method, it should be followed by a parenthesis. Then here in Java, they provide some predefined methods such as system.out, .println with a parenthesis. But you can also create your own methods to perform certain actions. So we have example here how to create a method inside the main. So we have here public class main followed by a static void, then my method with a parenthesis and the code to be executed. Then here for some short explanation about the code. So we have here the my method with open parentheses, two parentheses. It is the name of the methods. Then the static means that the method belongs to the main class and not just an object of the main class. And void means that this method does not have a return value. So how do we call a method? So to call the method, we will write a method's name followed by the two parentheses and a semicolon. So we have here the sample. So the my method is used to print text or perform a certain actions when it's called. Yeah. Then next the sample, please. So there. So inside main call the my method. So here we have the public class main, the followed by the static void my method. Then after you put that my method, so you're going to put the system dot out dot println and the parentheses. Also inside the parentheses, you're going to put the double quote. And here in W3 schools, they use I just got executed as the samples and followed by a semicolon. So let's try it by ourselves. Yeah. So what do you think would be the output? So yeah, as Joanna think, it shows that I just executed. So there you can see that the output. Oh my gosh, there are some strange noise. So continue. So the they call this the run code is I just executed because as you can see here the code you can see that you just use the I just got executed as the sample and you there you can see that you create your own method so we can change that to able to see if it's really work. Can you change that, Joanna? There. So let's type. Yeah, just put there. You are beautiful. Yeah. Then let's try if it's going to create a you are beautiful. Then there you go. So there, that's the sample of
Okay,
how my method.
you are beautiful. Can
Thank
I
you, ma'am.
can I ask now?
Yeah,
That is you run that method, right? Run that method in two times or three times.
that's. Thank you for that question, ma'am. So can you go back to the main screen, Joanna? So we have there at the next, we can able to put there many methods as we can. So we're just going to put there my method with the parentheses with a semicolon. Just repeat it as many as you can, or whether if you're going to want to execute the code 3 times, then you're going to put there my method 3 times. Then there. That's how you, yeah, repeat the code that's going to be executed.
Okay, answered. Yeah, that my question already answered. And can you go to the first one? The one that you ran the first, that one. That okay. From there, from that static public static void, and then you enter it. After that, my method. Okay. Get another line after this, my method. After in this public static void main string args, my method, and then enter, and then put that system that out. No, 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 not there. In
At
this
the bottom,
bottom, bottom, yeah, at the bottom of. No, 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 no.
at the bottom of the
Here
public
in the
static
public
void.
static void main string args, and then my method, and then enter after the semicolon of my method. Not there.
At the
Semicolon.
bottom, Joanna, did you see the
Yeah, there,
yeah,
there.
there?
Enter, 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 and that. And then type in this system.out.println, or you may just copy it all until this one. I just got executed there, all that. Copy that there. And then another one. And then can you run it? Okay. It has the same output, right? It
Yes.
it prints 3 lines of I just got executed. Will you say it as a method? Can you say it? Those three are using method.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The first one, ma'am, the first one. I just got executed. Use the methods because here you just, define the what you're going to run. You just put their system that out that print l and then the code that you're going to run. So just specify what code you should run. So it's not, yeah, you just print
So those
directly.
two, those two are not method. So you're saying those two are not method?
Um, you're confusing me, mama.
You already answered. Already answered it. Yeah. You said it is not. I'm just asking
Yeah,
again.
yeah. Because here, ma'am, it says that method is the, what do you call this? To perform a certain actions. Then system that print ln is part of that. Yeah, to perform. To block code which only runs when it's called. Then whenever you call the whenever you want to run a code, you always put their system that outprint ln, right? So maybe it's part of the methods. Yeah.
No, these two system that out that print ln, the one that you copy paste here, these two system that out under this, the one that I asked Joanna to just copy paste under this. Is this two methods also? The one that just under this my method, these two system that.
Oh yeah, I get it now. No, ma'am, because yeah, as I said earlier, you just specify what code you should run. Then yeah,
Okay,
it's not,
yes, it is.
yeah.
No, you're correct. They are not already method because they are typed on those lines, or it could be copy paste from this. It is just another code, okay? That is not a method, okay? Okay, you may change it
Yeah.
to hi, hello, and then run it. Okay, there is. I just got executed and then hello, hi. So these two are not method, those hello and hi.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
how can you change that method? I just got executed. How can you change that?
There, ma'am. Joanna already did that. The you are beautiful.
Yes, okay, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Okay, we can move on with that. Any question from your other classmate?
Any question, guys, or suggestion, violent comments, violent reaction rather? Seeing none, so let's proceed to another topic. Oh,
Okay, there for that test quest yourself with exercises. Let's have it. Um, the other one there. Okay, you may read the instructions that Liza.
yes, ma'am. For exercise 1, we have here insert the missing part to call my method from main. Am I going to answer that, ma'am, or they they will answer it?
Yeah, you can answer, and also other of your classmates they can answer. And I'm having here my record. Okay.
Okay, classmates, so that you will have points. You try to answer it. Anyone? Just going to read the instruction, then you're going to get the answer. Just read it, guys, so that you will have points.
Me, I can answer that.
Okay, De Los Santos.
I think it's my method.
My method. My method only. Are you missing something?
And close open parenthesis.
Okay.
Oh
Oh, you're
yeah,
correct, huh?
yeah.
Okay. Next one. De Los Santos one. Got
Another,
Oh, me
guys.
again.
one.
I can answer that.
No, other.
Other. How about the other?
Me.
It's just easy.
Me,
Just
me, me,
easy.
me, me, me.
The kanay.
My method and up and close parentheses, and the other one, they just same answer. It's just same answer.
Oh,
OMG!
good. Next.
Oh yeah, you're correct.
Yeah. Oh my God! I did not expect that.
Kalkon, Takanay. Next one.
Me.
I think it is part of your report, Joanna.
Yeah.
The
Parameter. Okay.
FN string.
Let's
Yeah.
have for Joanna first and then get back on that exercise 3.
Are you finished? Adelatar?
Yeah, I'm finished. You proceed.
Okay.
Thank you, Joanna, for sharing your screen for me.
Okay, so where's my report? Okay, so let us proceed to Java method parameters. So, parameters and arguments. Information can be passed to methods as parameter. Parameters act as variable inside the method. Parameters are specified after the method name inside the parentheses. You can add as many parameters as you want, just separate them with a comma. The following example has a method that takes a string called fname as parameter. When the method is called, we pass along a first name which is used inside the method to print the full name. So as you can see here, this is the my method, and then we have the string with the fname which is the parameters. And then if we're going to print it, it will combine the first name and the surname that we're going to add. So let's try here. So as you can see, F name stands for first name plus the surname that we're going to include. So as you can see, my method, in the previous topic of Adelantar, we use the my method to execute many as many as we can output here. So as you can see, it provides three names, I mean, and then it added the ref surnames. This is just an example of surname. We can able to change it so that we can able to change the surname of these three names. Do you think it is possible to add a second name? Do you think like Giancarlo, like
Yeah.
is it possible?
Yes.
How are we going to do that?
Just change the my method. For example,
You can
Liam,
change the
For
name.
example, this
I mean
one.
the method.
Liam, Maria, like that.
What Maria? And then
Jenny Kim.
Jenny Kim.
and then
Yeah.
then
Anja Kim.
what?
Anja Kim Kim.
What? I
Kim.
can't
Also
I
Kim.
can't understand. Let's
Yeah.
try this. Okay, as you can see, it we can able to provide a second name here because it will set the my method will set what output we're going to execute. So in this
Ah,
we're just going to combine the first name and also the surname that we set. So
ah,
let's try to change what
the
surname do you
kanay.
want?
The kanay.
The kanay, okay.
And
English to
the
Tagalog. Okay, let's see.
OMG, I have my own family.
Oh.
Oh,
New member of the family.
Okay, so you got it.
what do you mean that second name, right? You said
Yes.
every line of this, 1, 2, 3. How
Yes.
about if they all, you can make it as a middle name. Like for example, uh, Pulvera is their middle name. Instead of Maria, Kim, and King, can you make it Pulvera? All the same Pulvera?
This one. The second names.
Yeah. No,
What?
by
Letter
that,
P.
Just a middle initial.
Yeah,
Okay.
like that, ma'am.
Are you pertaining with the middle initial?
okay, on that, what you did is you type it in one by one for every names, right?
Yes.
How about to type in just on the in just one time to type in? How?
What at the time?
Yeah. Can?
Maybe you should change something there in system.outprintln. It's just
One
Yeah.
at a time.
because mom saying that You don't need to put there,
To repeat.
Joanna, in my method, the P.
Oh.
You have to use your method.
Okay. Multiple. I, I don't know.
Oh yeah, my method. Yeah, I get it.
Oh, wait.
Joanna, the one that you edit in my report there. You change the name and the kanay to, I mean, put first the, what do you call this? The my method. Because you can execute a code there, right? If you're using the my method. Wait, I have some, yeah.
Okay, everyone can think of about that. If you already analyze how to do that,
Joanna.
anyone can answer also of other of your classmates.
Me, ma'am, I'm trying. There, Joanna, can you change the static void, the my method to, don't put their string f name. Remove the string f name. Can you remove that or no?
This one?
Yeah, that just the string name. Don't include the parentheses. Yeah. Can you
What?
remove or not?
What am I going to remove?
Remove that string f name. Remove that.
With the
I mean
parentheses.
delete. Without the parentheses.
It's just this one.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. Then you put the system that out print L and then with a double quote remove the f name plus the kanay like that.
Remove on here.
That then you put there. For example, Joanna like that. Joanna People Vera. Why do you have
What the full
Joanna
name?
People Vera? Then the my method. I think I don't know. Is that what mom's saying?
Mm, you can see it if you can run it.
What? It's
Oh, it's error.
Yes, it's error.
okay. Back to the report. We can use the comma. First name. Separated with comma. Where's
Why is it error? Because it's my report.
here? On the parameters. This one.
Oh, Joanna, can you try to put the, do you see the RFSNS?
Oh.
Try to put there, Joanna, in RFNS like that. The middle initial.
Here?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just guessing. Yeah, in the, what do you call this?
Good guess. Good guess.
Oh my gosh.
Good guessing. You can guess.
Where here?
Yeah, Before the REF and yeah, how do you read that?
Before?
Yeah, can you put there, for example, A, then that? I don't know. Can you put there A, then period, then the name?
Here? Like this?
Yeah, can you just try it?
Okay. Okay. That's it. You already
Oh,
have.
that's it. Very good.
But what about, as you can see, it is Liama. It becomes Liama.
Liyama. It's Liyama.
You should
Can you
put
make
a
it separate?
space.
You have to
Jania.
separate it.
Anja. I like that one.
She forgot to put
I
a
didn't
space,
get
ma'am.
what mom's saying. It's about the middle initial. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Na.
Very good, Joanna.
Very good. For you not to type in every line, you can use your method. That is the use of that.
Okay. Okay, let's proceed to the another one. So if this one is combining the first name and the last name, and you can put middle initial, here we have the multiple parameters, which we can combine the first name, the word is, and the age. You can see Liam, 5, Jenny, 8, and Anja, 31. What will be the output?
It's Liam is 5, Jenny is 8, Anja is 31. Like that.
Okay, so here we're going to combine the string F name and int age. So here F name plus is plus age. So we're using the plus to add statement. So here Liam, 5, and this one. But if we don't have this, I think this is just what will happen if we remove the is?
Liam 5.
It's just Liam 5.
Okay, let's
Liam
see.
with space, then 5. Without a space.
What if we have the space?
We have that space, yeah.
Okay. So if we add a double quote here with space, it will provide spaces.
Oh, amazing report, huh?
Yes. Very good.
Very good.
You discovered that, huh?
What?
You discovered that.
While reporting, discovering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
it. Aside from combining the first name and the surname a while ago, we can also have the first name with age here.
Ah.
Joanna, can you just try here at 5? Can you change it? For example, Liam is 5 years old. Can you put years old? Is it possible?
It's fine.
Yeah, it could.
Ay, yeah, I like the English, huh?
Oh, thank you.
Double ko tayo.
Oh, no more added.
You forgot the...
No more.
What?
You forgot the is that?
Here in the this one?
No, there at system.out.println.
Okay. Here.
Yeah.
Perfect. I know.
Oh, I think
Error.
that's not
Error.
possible because it says that age maybe
Yeah.
it should be number and yeah, integers
You
Okay.
add in
should
the
be
system
number.
that Joanna.
What?
Add. Add that years old in the system that out.
Where we're going to add?
Oh yeah, like us right.
What?
On the age,
Here?
add your, yeah, plus.
No,
Plus?
put plus
Plus.
then semicolon. I mean semicolon. Double
Double,
quote.
Years old.
double quotation, Joanna.
Your experiment.
Oh, I like the experiment, ah.
You're making a new code, ah.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
That's it.
Okay, let's try to make
That you're making your code by your own.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Wait.
there is no
Yeah.
spacing.
You need to add a space.
Add space on the is, Joanna. One more. One more to the right.
Where? On the right side?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Experiment.
Wow, very good, guys, ah.
Very good.
Yay.
It's a group activity.
Clap.
Yeah, it's a group activity.
That's nice. Okay. Another new learnings. Okay, so by putting a double quote here and also the addition, we can able to add some statement here. Okay, so let us proceed to the another one. If we have a name with a number, we can also provide a parameters with pure number. As you can see here, the void keyboard used in the example above indicates that the method should not return a value. If you want the method to return a value, you can use a primitive type, a data type such as int, char, etc. instead of void, and use the return keyword inside the method. Okay, as you can see, that the int, we use int here and the x, and also return. Return, you're going to give the value or return the value 5 plus x. So what do you think is the value of x in this code?
It's 3,
It's 3.
What will be the output?
8,
Okay.
8, 5 plus 3, like that. I
Okay.
only 8.
Hmm.
So as you can see, it has 5 plus x is 8 because we give a value of x as 3 because our my method is in x. What about we change this into another letter? Is it possible?
Why?
What?
Why? Can you,
You mean
for example, Joanna, 5 minus x, can you perform that? Or, I mean, is it possible or not? I don't
Yes,
know.
obviously it's possible.
Yeah, that's possible. Oh.
What
Oh, I
about
like that, huh? Can you subtract? I mean, multiply like that.
Or divide.
You're so decision maker, huh?
What is
Oh,
that?
yeah, like that. I thought you're going to put x.
no, because it's a variable. X.
Oh my gosh, I like the brain of my classmates, huh?
Very, very. How about divide?
Divide it's
Slash.
I forgot the divide. But you cannot able to divide its decimal, right? Why?
Oh.
There is only one.
No, I think this is not
There's no
Rounded.
remainder.
sign. What is the division sign of? What do you think? Is the division
What again?
The
what is the
division
division
sign.
sign? Operation, I mean,
Of what?
of division.
Division. It's
Ah, wait. Let's change this one. I mean, this one.
change that to yeah,
Yeah,
maybe it's
fine.
5.
I think it cannot execute a decimal. Oh,
Yeah, it will not.
There's no remainder.
you.
Yeah, if you
Yeah.
will divide 15 to 3, it's 5, right? There's no
Yes.
Yeah,
decimal.
there's no
But if
decimal.
you divide a number with the decimal in output, it will just
Show the whole
show
number.
Yeah, show the whole number, but
For
not the.
example, this one, 10 divided by 3. We will just make 3 times of 3, right? And it has
Yeah.
one. So the answer will just 3 because it will not execute the decimal.
The
See?
decimal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the decimal. It will not include. It's just the whole number.
Yeah. It's not belong. Yeah.
For example,
The
if you put
decimal.
11,
Oh yeah.
if you put 11, it's also the same. It's 3 also. Okay, but if you put it into 12, it will become 4. It will not include the decimal. It's just a whole number.
Okay, can I ask how can you make it have a decimal?
Decimal.
Oh, you're asking. Our classmate is asking for decimal. That's why mom included it. Now that's the problem.
Oh,
I
that's
think we have that lesson before.
mm-hmm.
Let me find it for you, Joanne. Okay.
I just remembered the whole number. Wait. I forgot how to execute the decimal.
Oh, I have here. I saw it. If you're going to use decimal, I mean, you should use the code float. Yeah,
What?
Yes, correct. Because you are
float.
using there an integer.
Integers only perform whole numbers without decimal, but float can store points number with decimal like that.
Yes, that is our topic on the
Where?
past.
They're at integers. Maybe you should change it into float.
Error.
What?
No, not there.
Where? Orange. What did you say?
Maybe it's in the public static void main. Maybe you should change something there. Is it? Isn't it?
Here?
Yeah, maybe it's not the at the top. I don't know. I mean, no. Oh my gosh, guys. De Los Santos, you're so very answering before, huh? Now you're in silence.
Maybe change the my method. Change it into my float number.
Wow, I like the idea, huh?
Okay.
I no.
Ay, wait. There's... Why is it 4? Let's try another number. Why is it just 2?
It still don't have the. Can you change the int to float also? Just try it. I don't.
Float? Oh.
One
Wait,
more.
there it
There's
says
So,
another.
the
wow.
possible lossy conversion from F1 return x. Oh, it's the 13 slash x is the problem.
No, it's not there. It's not there the problem. There's
Oh,
another.
what's the
No.
problem? Is it in the?
What's that? What? Wait, there's... What happened? There's a 2. Oh, here. Why? Is that going to... Ay? Go back. Okay. Here.
Okay, change that to float, the int.
This one.
No, not that one.
The int.
Int.
Here.
int, static int. Yeah, that one, float x. Of course, you change that float x, right? You also have to change the static int and the method there.
This one. Into float.
Float.
Oh my god, what happened? Here.
So many error, huh? 4 errors, huh?
It's wrong. You type in wrong.
Why? Because
Your
In our-
method is wrong. Wait,
What?
my method. See
My
that?
method.
My method is different from the lower one. Small my and capital M for. No. You have to change the upper one.
Out. One.
Your letter M with my. You did not change it yet.
Ow. Oh my gosh, why?
that's part of programming. The struggles is real.
Yeah, I think.
But we all know that it is not correct. Maybe there's still wrong.
Yeah. What's the...
Okay. Here, that's wrong. Maybe you type in. Okay, close that and then run it again. Run again. Change the int into float.
This int? This one? And also this?
Yes. Then run it. There should be a decimal
It's
number.
not divide.
See?
But this is not
Okay, try
divide.
it with a division.
Okay. That.
Okay, there you go.
Oh, very good, huh?
Okay. The float here and also...
OMG.
The mock float.
Okay, the float changes in the integer changes into float.
Yes. Okay, if you want a decimal, there you have it. You need to put a float on the static and also on the inside the parentheses. Okay, did you understand, guys?
Yeah. Maybe let's proceed to the topic because Laika is chilling, no?
Okay, let's get there's
Oh, maybe ma'am has a question.
what?
What question?
What, ma'am?
No, it's Liza.
No, ma'am, I'm asking maybe you have question to Joanna.
Here.
Ah, okay.
Um,
No more. That's it.
We're done with this number with variable. So here we can have two letters here to be added. So as you can see, the int x and int y is represented as 5 and 3. So if you add the x and y, we have 8 also. You can also make it another letter like A and B. And here, A and B. Let's try. Okay. So
Okay.
that's it. It's just a while ago we have original number here and a letter. And now we have two letters. Oh my god, the dog.
Is dog already biting you, Joanna?
Maybe it's hungry.
We're so
Because
angry.
the voice of dog is very angry. We can still hear Joanna, so maybe you should.
Okay, let's proceed. Okay, a while ago we have a number here and a letter. And now we can also have two letters here and the value will just reveal in the system out print which is 5 and 3. Yeah. But don't forget to put int. And of course, if you want to have, what about I'm going to have a negative answer here? How will we going to do that? A negative answer. Like -1.
Okay, what do you think, guys?
How are we going to get a negative answer? What we're going to change here or add or what?
5 minus 6.
6? 5 minus 6. Okay.
A minus B. And then 3 to 6.
Okay. Oh, you got it.
Okay.
What about in addition? How we're going to have a negative sign?
-6.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you got it. Or in multiplication. You guys, some of you know how. But of course, this is a positive and negative. If you multiply it, of course, it will become negative. For those who forget how to multiply integers, if you multiply opposite sign, it will become negative. And of course, same with the division. For example, this is 30. You will get a -5. That's it.
That's correct.
And that's the power of math. Okay, so we have last one here. Aside from the x and y, we can have the int z here. In this case, we have int x and int y. So we use my method 5 and t. And in the other cases, we can have the int z, which we're just put the print l and z, because we already represented that int z will be the 5 and t. So let's try here. So you can see this is just the same with the coding a while ago, but the addition here is that the my method 5 and 3 will be represented as int z. So therefore, if you're going to print ln, you're not going to put the my method 5 and 3. You're just going to put the letter z. But of course, if you don't want z, you can able to change it on the other letters like this. Okay, that's it. There's nothing big difference, but it's just you know, some shortcuts or some techniques on how you're going to execute two numbers or two equations. And then lastly, we have this one. This is the last part. My report is a little bit long. So here, a method with if else. Okay, it's just like the lesson last week, I think, the Java if else. The dog are so noisy. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, in here, as you can see, it's just yeah, this is the last one. Okay, here, as we discussed last week, that the if else will just execute if the statement is true or here, create a check age method with integer parameter called age basic void check age int age. So here, if your age is 18, if less than 18, it will execute the you are not old enough because it's less than 18. But if we put greater than 18 or equal to 18, the output will be access granted, you are old enough. So here, the example is 20. So 20 is less than or more than 18. Is it less than or more than?
Can you repeat again?
What I said is that if the age is less than 18, the execute output will be access denied, you are not enough old because it's not 18 or it's not more than. But if is equal to 18 and or greater than with 18, it will be access granted, you are old enough. So it is like check age. So here the example is 20. Is it greater than with 18 or less than with 18?
It's greater than 18.
So therefore, the output here is access granted, you are old enough. So what how we're going to execute access denied? You are not old enough. What we're going to what about the access denied? You are not old enough. What we're going to change so that we can have this output
Maybe you change the check age.
here into what?
Maybe make it less than 18, like 16, 17, like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Sweet 16, like that.
Okay. Oh, as you can see. Do you remember the lesson that mom discusses last week? The Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's like this.
Yeah.
It's just like this.
Yes.
If they got the condition, it will execute this one. And if the condition is not meet what the code wants to have, it will execute the another one. So that's it. It's just the same with the last week lesson. It's just like the Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Yeah, the example last week. So that's it. We have here the exercises. This is what on Adelantar's number 3 exercise. I think these topics are connected with each other. That's why the
Yes.
exercises are okay. Who wants to answer the exercise?
Me.
Who are you? Who's
I'm
that?
Adelan. Oh, you forgot my name. I'm so very sad.
No, I didn't.
Who are you?
Just joking, Joanna. You're very serious, huh?
Okay, you answer.
Yo, it's what do you call this? At the bottom.
Here? F me. Okay, then. What about these two?
String. F
And
name.
then what?
F name.
F me. Okay. Oh, you're correct. Okay. So this one, what's this?
Me. Me.
Who?
Nakalay.
Answer.
Return.
Okay, what's your
Return.
answer?
Time.
What?
Return. Return.
Return. Okay. Return. Okay, you're correct. And this one? Who wants to answer this long method?
Check
Very,
age.
very long.
Okay. Who wants to
Check
answer?
age. Me.
Okay, what's your answer?
Check age.
Check age.
Small letter C.
Oh, sorry.
Big letter A.
And E. What? Here. Then.
In
In.
age.
Age. Then.
And then if
If.
age
Age.
less than symbol.
Less than. 18.
No.
What?
The other one. The
What?
symbol change the symbol.
Oh, that's one?
Yes.
Okay, then.
And then else
L.
check age.
Check age.
Big letter A.
What number?
20.
20. Is it 20?
Yeah, 20.
20.
Yeah, it's 20.
Okay, so let's check. Okay, you're correct.
Yay.
Okay.
Okay, I hope you
Good.
have.
Very good, guys. And I have a question with that. Can you return it there?
Where, ma'am?
On the last,
Exercise?
yep.
Okay.
Or,
How will you return this?
yeah,
Just double click it again. Like
there.
Okay, here.
Just for a review and also for the others, what do you call this line of having a double slash? Double slash create a
Comment, ma.
what is that?
Comment.
This one?
Yes, those are a comment.
Yes, a
Like
comment.
your bones. Okay, very good.
Okay. Okay, I hope you have understood everything.
very clear.
Okay.
Discovery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The discovery.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very
For
good.
the points.
All. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless. Stay safe.
Bye,
Sige.
man.
Be safe, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.